Good morning, dolls, and welcome to Little Gretchen's workshop. So today I want to share with you some wonderful items that have come to me just in time for preparation for Marguerite and Sadi's wedding. These items have come from my dear friend Carol Krystof. She makes really lovely handmade things that I will leave information later in this video to her website so you can see some of the other work that she's done. And although I received these items the week of Mother's Day, I'm just now getting an opportunity to show them. Now, these are two beautiful wedding gowns that'll be perfect for the dress shop dollhouse. I just am blown away by how beautiful and detailed these dresses are. I can't help but admire the placement of the lace and all the tiny details that make this dress amazing. I'm just so tickled by the puff sleeves on this dress. And here I'm just admiring how she fortified or strengthened the stand so that it'd be able to support the train on the dress. Carol, I have to tell you, I truly, truly admire your work as an artist, and I feel so thankful and grateful that you would share these beautiful things with me. These are truly going to be wonderful additions to the dress shop dollhouse. And honestly, dolls, I'm thinking about expanding. But what I really wish is that I could take one of these dresses off of these stands and actually put it on Marguerite so she could go ahead and get married. But I guess I can't. So I have to go ahead and settle myself so I can go ahead and complete Marguerite's dress. I'm really impressed that this has a pink underlining where it gives a slight hint of pink, which provides a really nice accent through the beautiful sheer lace. I truly was tickled to see this because I used a concept like this when I started working on Marguerite's dress, which you will see in an upcoming video. And she included another stand that needs a dress, so that'll give me opportunity to help build the collection. I was really touched when I saw the signature and the date 1990 on the back. Seeing things like this really make me feel nostalgic because it's because of artists like this that the miniature world is what it is today. So come on, dolls. Let's see what else is in this box. Oh my goodness, Carol, she's beautiful. I'm covering her because she's not dressed, but she's really, really beautiful. Let me get her out of this bag. She's been in here long enough. She's going to be another guest at the wedding. She's really, really beautiful. Let me allow you to see her. She has a nice, very kind face. Carol, I absolutely love her already. I can't wait to get her dressed. And look at her feet. So then there was this other little plastic box, and it had a letter holder inside. You definitely need a letter holder in a rooming house. And look what else I found in that little box. They're really cute little canisters. Let me turn them around so you can really see them good. I've got oatmeal, tea, barley, and rice. Those will be perfect for Aunt Bess and Aunt Janie's kitchen. Dolls, I promise you, in this moment, I'm feeling like I'm 10 again. It's another box with more goodies. Now the outside says that it's vanilla custard, which is cute in and of itself, but there's something inside. And when I opened it, I couldn't believe what I saw. It's tiny little cubes of cake. Perfect. It looks just like the type of cake that you would cut at a wedding. Those definitely can be used to create a display at the reception. And each container had more little cubes. So this is perfect. Carol, this is absolutely perfect. So let me sit this down with my little canisters so I can really assess what I have. Okay, so I need to calm down and put these away and finish opening the box. Now, dolls, when I pulled out this little basket, I was truly, truly tickled because I had seen baskets like this at the Ann Arbor Miniature Show and forgot to pick some up. So this was perfect. And look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. This could go along with some of Marguerite's things for her trousseau. She's going to have such a lovely collection for her honeymoon. And when I reached in further and saw this, it stopped me in my track. This is so absolutely tiny and perfect. Carol, you truly outdid yourself. Now, Marguerite already has a bouquet, but there will be another wedding before the end of the year. And look at this tiny little straw hat. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. I can just see it with flowers and ribbons on it. And then look at this little Valentine-shaped basket. This would be really nice for some of Marguerite's things. And then this was so cute. Two little cactuses. Now, I've never made a cactus dolls, but I think this is adorable. And then I pulled out the sweetest little pearl beaded hanger. Now, dolls, this is absolutely precious. So as you dolls can see, I'm putting all the wedding things together. Now, she also included a set of coach lights, and they're already wired, so I just have to put them together to hook them up to create an actual light. I've seen this type when you do those mini villages. I've never wired a light, so that will be a real project for me. I got so tickled when I saw this, the really wide brim hat. Isn't that adorable, dolls? Now it is fixed on the hat stand, but it's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. And it'll be a wonderful addition to the display in the dress shop dollhouse. Now, in addition to all the wonderful minis, Carol included quite a few supplies. So here's some ribbon. Now, dolls, this is the package that really messed me up because I had been shopping for flowers for the wedding, and here you are, Carol, you gave me everything I needed. I don't even know what to say. Between this and the flowers that Laura gave me, I have more than enough. All kinds of different colors to do the wedding displays and to do flower arrangements for around the doll houses. Carol, this just made my day. I need you dolls to see these flowers up close. Now, dolls, I will do arrangements, but I'm really not one to create flowers, so this is really, really a big deal for me. Look at all the pretty colors. Look at how lovely the shapes are and all the little petals. These are just absolutely precious. And dolls, I don't even know what to say. Look at all the colors. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, Carol, this is awesome. This is so wonderful. You just don't know. You just don't know what this means to me. So, dolls, I'm talking about exceedingly abundantly above whatever I could ask or think. Yeah, this is it. All I can really say is wow. And then I opened a tiny package and it was a little kit to make a Raggedy Ann doll. That'll really, really be perfect for the little girls' room. And the girls will really love having another doll in their collection. I can't wait to sit down and put that together. Now, this is actually the hat stand that I had in the beginning, and there's actually hair in the bag so that I can put hair on the doll and possibly create a wig. But I'm pretty solid on the fact that I'm going to use her as a hat stand. And along with that package, there was actually some suggestions included in the little packet. And I'm going to save them and look them over. But you know, I always have my own ideas, dolls. And then I found a tiny little capsule with a flower in it. It's like a pill capsule. That's truly original. I'm already getting ideas of how to display that in the house as well. There's so many wonderful things in this box, and I'm trying not to get distracted to the point that I just break out plain. So let me go ahead and finish opening the box. So there was another bag that had more supplies, and it included a really nice piece of foam. There was some batting where I could stuff pillows. There was a little bit of banca inside. There was some white silk lace, which will be perfect for Marguerite's dress. Then there was lots of lace in all different shapes and sizes. Then there was like little tassel trims that was really nice that would look like fringe, and just all the different types of lace. Some was cream, some was white. They were tiny and they were thin and they were just perfectly scaled for doll making. And then I looked in the bag and found a whole bag of tiny ribbon. Again, dolls, you just don't know. I've recently been shopping and looking for tiny ribbons for other projects so I can have a nice selection. And I look here in this box and just all kinds of everything I can think of. I mean, Carol, you really just don't know. I truly believe that you were led to give me these things because they're things that I truly needed, and I just don't have any words. It's just amazing that I had so many of these things in baskets on multiple websites, not sure what to get first, looking for the best price, the best bargain, and here it is. Everything I was looking for. And then there was another box inside the box, and look what it had. 3 different colors of marble. They're perfectly sized and already cut and smooth. Wow, Carol. This is absolutely amazing, and I just can't tell you, dolls, how many ideas are coming to me right now. This could be a tabletop, the opening to the fireplace. And dolls, then I looked in a little bit further and found these beautiful laces, a spring print, the cream lace, and a white lace. Let me open it up so you can really see how beautiful this fabric is. I really love the fresh, bright colors in that spring floral print. And again, there's so many options. This could be someone's dress, or it could actually be curtains. Just a beautiful, beautiful color. Carol, you're just so kind. This gift is so timely and so thoughtful because it's just really great to have full supplies like this, especially when I'm used to working with scraps. And then I reached in the bag again and found this adorable little apron. Now, this truly looks like the type of apron somebody would be on the grill with. But look at how she finished it with the tiny buttons. And then there were several little reefs inside with the same red and white gingham ribbon. It kind of reminds me of something you would use to do an autumn wreath. Kind of looks like straw. Definitely something for fall decor. Now, in one of the boxes, it looks like a doll that's in need of a little repair. She's kind of young, and her face is really pretty. Now, she's made to be in a sitting style, almost like how children sit on the floor. So I'm definitely going to have to dress her and fix her up. Now, she's made with elastic to keep her body together, and there's a hole in her head. I'm showing you here how her legs are made. I've never seen a dollhouse doll with her legs made like that. So the shape of her legs creates somewhat of a challenge, but I'm going to work on her to make her fit into the family. So I was really tickled by the card that Carol included because it said happy birthday. And it made me laugh because she doesn't actually know when my birthday is. But she said, P.S. I know it's not your birthday, but we can pretend. And we absolutely can, Carol. I truly appreciate it. It came at Mother's Day, but I believe in celebrating my birthday all year. So real quick, I want to show you Carol's card and information if you want to reach out to her or go to her website and see some of her other creations. Now, dolls, if you've enjoyed this video today, definitely let me know in the comments. And if you want to see more content like this, go ahead and subscribe. And always look for me on Mondays and Wednesdays after 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I'm looking forward to seeing you, dolls, on the next episode of Little Gretchen's Workshop. Bye-bye now, dolls.